In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pull in prices for gold and silver right into your Excel spreadsheet. Now, since there's no function or way to pull that in right into Excel using an existing function like the stock history function, what we're going to need to do is use a site like alphavantage.co. If you go to this site, you can get a free API key that you can use, and then by having that, you can pull in gold and silver prices and other values as well if you wanted to right into your Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to show you how we can set this up. Over on the documentation page, you can see how you can pull in gold and silver spot prices where it's got a space for the API key, and then the symbol you can specify silver or gold depending on what you want to pull in. So let's go and set this up in Power Query. Over on the data tab, I'm going to click from web. And now I'm going to paste that URL where I've specified silver as what I want to pull in. And here I've got the API key. So there are limits on AlphaVantage on how many requests you can make. So you're going to want to set up your own API key just to make sure that you don't run into those issues. So this is what the data looks like in Power Query. So I can convert it into a table if I wanted to. But basically it's ready to load right into my Excel spreadsheet. And now if I want to do a refresh, it's as simple as right clicking and clicking on refresh, and it'll update and get that latest price in here. So there are limits as I mentioned, so you can't do this on a continuous basis, especially with the free plan, the free API key, but that's how you can pull that in. Now, what about if you wanted to pull in both gold and silver prices? So this can be a little bit tricky because there are limits as to how often you can pull where you can make requests. So what I'm going to do is set up a code for Power Query to say that we're going to pause for 1 second before making another request for gold and then grouping that into a table. What I'm going to do is right click on my query and edit it. So I go back into Power Query and I'm actually going to open up the advanced editor, because what I want to do is set up a code in here that's going to put in my API key and set up the different queries, one for gold and one for silver. And so I'm going to paste the code that I've already generated here. So we've got a section for the API key. Again, this is mine. You'll want to put in yours. Then we're going to fetch the different symbols. So here we've got the placeholder where we've got the symbol and then the API key. So that's still that original link from that documentation. And then first we're going to get gold, so XAU. And then we're going to use silver, XAG, but we've got a duration here, so we've got a gap of a couple seconds before we go and do that. And then we're going to combine them into one table, one for gold and one for silver. So I'm going to leave this code in the post related to this video. So if you follow the link in the description, you can copy this code and use it for your own purposes. Just put in your updated API key. And then I'm going to click on done. And now what it's going to do is it's going to go through all those steps now, and it's got gold and silver now listed here. We've got the timestamp when it's pulled and also the price. What I'm going to do is do a refresh here just to make sure that it's pulled in both those values. There we go. So now as you can see, it's ready to load into my Excel spreadsheet. If I just click on close and load, now I've got prices for both gold and silver. So it's going to run both queries. So this is important because it's basically going to do 2 requests each time you do a refresh. Again, it's important to factor in, how many requests you're making, just because you're going to run into that limit sooner than you otherwise would if you're just making 1 request at a time. And so with the API service from AlphaVantage, you can make up to 25 requests per day. So just keep that in mind. So if you're a really big trader, then obviously you might need a more premium plan to use. But if you're using the free account, you can still make up to 25 requests. So if you've got 2 requests at a time, then obviously that's around 12 times per day that you could do a refresh on this and be safe and not run into any sort of limits. And so now that I've got the query set up, all I need to do is click on refresh all, and it's going to update and pull in those latest spot prices. And now by having these values right within your spreadsheet, it's easy to reference them and pull them into your spreadsheet. And so that's how we can pull in gold and silver prices in Microsoft Excel. I hope you learned something. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.